Hey guys, long time no see and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a palette bingo using this Colourpop Through My Eyes eyeshadow palette. I literally just got it a couple of days ago and I haven't touched it at all because I've been like putting this palette in and out of my shopping carts for like a whole month and I finally got it. So yeah, in this video I'm going to create a eyeshadow look using 5 eyeshadow colours that I randomly draw out from this palette. And so if you're interested, please keep on watching. So to make it more fair, I'm going to like draw out the eyeshadow colours using an app called Lucky Wheel. I've already like put in all the shade names into the chart, and then I'm going to draw out the 5 eyeshadows that I'm going to use using this app. I'm going to press start, and then you see there's a wheel here, and then as soon as I press spin, it's gonna draw me a shade. I'm so nervous. What is it? The first color is euphoric. Yep, this is a really pretty orange color. Euphoric is already highlighted. So this is my first color. I'm going to draw out my second color. Spin. Oh, I'm so nervous. I've never done this before. The second color is Canela. I think this is how you pronounce it. So this is my second color. It's pretty. My third color I want an interesting color. Flax. So this is Flax. Again, it's another brown kind of eyeshadow, but the shimmer is so pretty. Again, spin. Oh my god, oh, there's a bit of fallout. This is so pretty. I like the combination. Spin. My last color, I want a light color for more highlight purpose. Yes, this is what I got. I'm gonna put it here. Oh my god, love it. As you can see, I just drew out all 5 eyeshadow colors that I'm going to use for my eye look today. The first one here is a matte green, like almost forest green kind of color. I don't really use green on my eyes, so this is going to be a challenge for me. And then the second one here is also a matte color, which is a matte orange, and it's called euphoric. Here this one is a warm tone brown with a bit of like gold shimmer in it. This one is called Canela. I think these two is gonna be like tie really well together. Oh my god, they look really pretty. Here this one is called Flax, which is a cool tone brown with a lot of like silvery glitter in it. Last but not least, I also have a highlight kind of color. This is a light gold champagne kind of color. This will make a really nice like eyeshadow for the highlight area. This one's called Lucido. I think this is how you pronounce it. So yeah, I'm really happy with the 5 colors that I got, and except for the green, the rest of the 4 here are the colors that I would usually wear. So yeah, hopefully I could come up with something creative, something that I don't really wear usually, and something pretty. So yeah, let's get started. So I just put some powder underneath my eyes because I've never like used this palette before. I don't know if there's any fallout, and I've already like done my base and stuff. So after I finish my makeup, I can just like fleck it away using a big fluffy brush. So yeah, the first color I'm gonna use this matte orange color, euphoric. I think this is the first color that I got. So I'm gonna put it here on the outer half of my eyes, bring it forward as a transition color. I really like Colourpop pressed eyeshadows because they're really pigmented, really nice to blend, and yeah, I like the pressed eyeshadows. Not so much they're like super shock eyeshadows. Not that they're not good, it's just that like I don't like the bulky packaging. I don't really have a plan. I just go with the flow, so we'll see. Maybe it will look horrible. I look really weird now. I think next I'm gonna use this Canela, a warm tone brown. Like I said, I think they look really good together. I'm gonna put it here in the outer area, lower than the first color. To give the base color a bit more depth. I'm going to do the top first, and then after I whip it, the powder off, I'm going to do the lower part, if that makes sense. So next I think I'm gonna go in with the green color now, using a flat brush. I'm gonna pat the green on, hopefully. Oh my god, there are lots of fallout or kickback, I don't know how you call it. Let's see. Oh, it's not as green as I thought it would be. I don't know if it's because I mixed it with the orange, or I don't really have a base color, but it looked kind of muddy. It doesn't really show up on its own. I think if you give it a sticky base like concealer or some sort of like paint pot, I think the color will show up. Can you see the lots of like kickback or fallout? Kickback, because fallout is on the face, right? I'm a bit disappointed with this color, to be honest. It doesn't look as pigmented as I wanted it to be. Next time when I use it, I think I have to like use some sticky base. I don't really like this combination. So next I think I'm gonna top this green color with this flax color, giving it a bit of like oomph, because now it's like matte and muddy. So using the same brush, I'm gonna use some of the flat color. Hopefully it gives it some shimmer and look nice. Oh my god, it's so pretty now. Oh, can you see the difference? This one with flax on top, the two color mixed together. This one is only that like moody color. Yeah, I like this side better. Actually, I changed my mind. I'm gonna finish the outer V area here using the same green color, because now they don't look balanced. This is gonna be really smoky. Blend it out. Blend it out. I'm gonna go back with the Canela color on the outer corner here. I want to put down a bit more of the flat color because it doesn't really show up now. Oh my god, so pretty. I really like these two color combined together to create like a new kind of eyeshadow color. So now I'm gonna flick the powder off and then go on with my lower lash area. I think I'm gonna use Euphoric first, the matte orange, for my lower area, and then try to fluff it out. And then I'm gonna darken it with a bit of Moody. So now I'm gonna go in with the last color, which is this champagne color, the shadow. Of course, I'm gonna do it on my inner eye corner area to brighten it up. my god, it's so pretty. And then in the lower lash area here in the middle. So now my eye look is almost done. I've used up all the 5 colors, and now I'm going to put on some eyeliner and my mascara and see if there's any area I need to like touch up a bit and maybe darken the area a bit. So I'll be back. So I just put on my eyeliner. Are they balanced? If you know me, you know that I like to set my eyeliner to give a more long-lasting look and as creeps. So I'm gonna set the eyeliners with the green color, which again, Moody. Just gently press some green color on top of the eyeliner. So my eye look is pretty much done, and I'm gonna finish the rest of my makeup, and I'll be back, and then you're gonna see the finished product. So this is my finished makeup look. Do you like it? I like it a lot because I don't think I could come up with this eye look if I'm the one that picking the eyeshadow colors from this palette. I know that my color story here is not as exciting and interesting as those people out there who do their palette bingo using a really big and colorful eyeshadow palette, but I'm still really happy with my result and what I did here. Because to me it is again a challenge. I don't use green eyeshadow on my eyes, and yeah, usually I just do a really simple brown eyeshadow look, a really everyday like shimmery pinkish kind of eyeshadow look. So yeah, this is a bit out of my comfort zone, I'd say, but I'm happy with the result. And if you want to see me do more this kind of video, like especially the palette bingo, please let me know because I'll be really happy to do it again. And so yeah, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel for more coming videos. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.